Hi, my name is Kim, and I work as a trade union consultant in Sparebank1 Vest. With me, I have Kent Logan from Fellesforbundet. Do you, Kent Logan, have sound now?
I'm not sure. Can you hear me?
I have a little bit problem with the sound, but in a minute.
Can you hear me? Nothing at all?
Kent Logan, are you with me?
Yeah. Can you hear me at all?
I still can't hear Kent Logan. He has a problem with the sound. Is anybody else? Can anybody else hear Kent Logan's microphone?
Hello,
okay,
hello.
I got a message that other people can hear you, Kent Logan. It's only me.
Okay.
The problem is. So okay, Kent Logan, can you just present yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hello, everybody. I work as organization officer in Fellesforbundet for the Sunnmøre region, and I help people with different stuff. Like if you have a problem at the workplace, you don't have got paid for your salary, or you don't have got vacation money and stuff like that, I help people out and try to support them through different cases. And I'm like the first person you meet if you have some trouble, and I help you with a case if you need a lawyer for a case at workplace and such like that. And I also am working with arranging stuff like membership benefits, just like we have today, courses and stuff like that. So I will always help every member to get more benefits or to use one of our benefits. And that's why we have to arrange some webinars right now, since we can't meet you in person because of the corona crisis. So I'm very glad that Kim is able to join us from Sparebank1 and arrange meetings like this online. So just write comments in the chat function, or if you have a microphone, you can also try speak there, and we'll try to help you out with whatever you are wondering about. So yeah, thanks for signing in.
I got a message about there's problem that is the presentation is not showing on the screen. Is anybody else got that problem?
I can see it. So
I still can't hear anyone. Let me see. Attendees. Okay, we got some more technical problems. Let me see. Okay. I'll try to get this presentation back. Let's see. Does the presentation come up now? I'll try to take out my camera and try to figure out this. Okay. We just try to go on, and hope if you don't see the presentation, you can hear us loud and clear. And after the meeting, we will send out the presentation so you can see it by yourself. We have some technical issues with my companion here, Kent Logan. It is I can't hear him, but he can hear me. So I hope anybody else can see it. So welcome to this meeting. It's LFR meeting. I will today explain you some of the benefits you have as a member in the trade union. And as I say, my name is Kim, and I work as a trade union consultant in Sparebank 1 Nordvest. For more than 50 years ago, LFR has worked to ensure that you and your family can feel secure in your home. Contents insurance was introduced back in the 1960s, and now you benefit from many important insurance policies as part of your membership. And today I will talk about the collective insurance. That means the insurance who is included in your membership. And I will also mention some other membership benefits you have by Fellesforbundet. We will start with the greatest insurance in Norway. That is Fellesforbundet household contents insurance. It's Norway's best household contents insurance, and it's included in your membership. The insurance applies to the members' fixed place of residence in the Nordic region, and in any other residence inhabited by the member in the Nordic region. The insurance does not cover holiday homes, and there is no maximum sum insured. And typical damage this insurance covers is damage to any household contents and furniture in connection with fire, explosive, or all water damage. And it also cover common accidents like damage to objects that have been torn down, have tipped over, or similar damages. It also cover theft of household contents from a locked car. So if someone is a thief or someone steals something from your car and the car is locked, this belongings to you is covered by this household contents insurance. Also, if your freezer just suddenly shut down and the food in the freezer is been damaged, it also covers the food in the freezer. But the freezer is not covered, because if the freezer just shut down, there's nothing to do with insurance, only the food inside. But if the freezer in how way turned down or tipped over or similar damages, then the freezer is covered. But and the first thing is the food. We have a special cover for mobiles and tablets, and that is you only pay an excess of 1,000 Norwegian crowns for the first 2 claims. The normal excess in Fellesforbundet household contents insurance is 3,000 Norwegian crowns, but for the mobiles and tablets you only pay an excess of 1,000 Norwegian crowns. Something really special is if you are 2 or more members in the household, and then we mean members in LO, then you have only 0 Norwegian crowns in excess. So if you have a damage in anything inside your household, and you are 2 members or more, it's 0 Norwegian crowns in excess. For mobiles and tablets, you can have 4 claims for 0 Norwegian crowns, but after the 4, also the 5th claims, you have to pay 3,000 Norwegian claims. And if you are only 1 member in the household, it's 1,000 Norwegian crowns, and after the first 2 claims, it's 3,000 Norwegian claims. And this insurance is cover everything you have in your home, so you can bring outside. So this is the greatest insurance we have for your members in LO. You also have this Fellesforbundet basic insurance. That is also included in your membership. And in the event of death, the policy pays out a one-off amount to surviving relatives. The cover is highest in those periods of your life where debt and the responsibility for dependents is usually the greatest. Cover is always provided in addition to any other life insurance policies you may have. That means if you have other life insurance and someone in your household is die, then you get paid from all the life insurance, included this basic insurance. This basic insurance does cover you as a member, your spouse, cohabitant, and children under the age of 21. It's covered death regardless of age and cause. And it's covered 24/7 worldwide. It's also covered child death. This insurance is as it says, a basic insurance. So when you go to your advisor in a bank, you tell them that you are a member of a trade union and you have this basic insurance. They will use that as the basic, and then they will give you an offer of life insurance up on this one. So it will be a little bit cheaper to pay for our life insurance when you have this basic insurance. You also have leisure accident insurance, who is also included in your membership. And the insurance policy pays you compensation if you become the victim of a non-work related accident. It's really important it is a non-work related accident. As a member, you get non-work related accident insurance, which pays out in the event of a permanent medical disability or death resulting from a non-work related accident. And you can see on the screen, perhaps, it's some different sums. And that is if you are a member who has a spouse or cohabitant or lineal descendants, like us, a family, or you are a single member. So if you have family or relatives, it's higher death insurance. And if you are a single member, it's a lower death insurance. You also have a disability insurance who covers you 200,000 Norwegian crowns if you are 100% fully disabled. If you are 50% disabled, it will be 100,000 Norwegian crowns. And you also have treatment expenses, and that is really important because after accident you may need some treatment, and then you can use this insurance and cover for 10,000 Norwegian crowns. And it's also an excess of 1,000 Norwegian crowns for the treatment expenses. So you have to pay the first 1,000 Norwegian crowns, and after that everything is covered by the insurance. So Fellesforbundet also have got you a travel insurance. It was supposed to be out to you members earlier this year, but in the fact of Corona, everything was set on hold. But you can, if you want to, have this travel insurance, you can just contact your local Sparebank and bank, and then we can fix this for you, and you get Fellesforbundet travel insurance. That is a really good insurance. It's cover you for single trips with a duration of up to 70 days. It's cover you as a member, your family, and children under years of 20 years age, and regardless or whether you travel together or separately. It also covers delayed or lost luggage, and it also covers travel sickness and representation, and also travel accident. You also have a cancellation insurance included in the event of acute and unexpected illness. I got a question about basic insurance, and the question is, how much is the basic insurance covered from a minimum to a maximum? The basic insurance is covered up to 50 years old. It's covered for the member 85,750 Norwegian crowns. Also for the relatives, it's 85,750. And so it will go down when you reach 54 years old. It's 67,000, and so it will go further down until you reach 75 and above. And when you turn to 75 years old, it will be 6,780 Norwegian crowns. And as I say, it's really important insurance, because if you as a member unfortunately will die, then your family can get this money from the insurance. And also otherwise, if some in your family dies, you as a member can get the payment from this insurance. Okay, back to the travel insurance. I say this also have a cancellation insurance included. And in these days, it's really important, because when we got the corona, everything we can say collapsed, and the insurance company say they cover all the cancellations if you have ordered your traveling before 13th of March. And that is still on. So if you have ordered a holiday or traveling somewhere before the 13th of March, then you can call the company and say you will cancel your reservation, and you will also then be covered. We recommend that you first call the airplane company and cancel the reservation and try to get some money back from them, and then you take contact with your insurance company. This travel insurance it only costs you 95 Norwegian crowns per month. And that is a really good insurance for less money. Almost everyone needs a travel insurance these days, because when you go out from your apartment or your house, then you are on traveling. Are you going from your home to the store, from home to work, or from home to do some exercises, or some just spare time to go up the mountain or something like that, then you are traveling, and you are on traveling in short way or a longer traveling. So this insurance is really important to have, because it have an accident insurance included, and it covers you the whole time, and it covers the whole family wherever you are. The excess of this insurance is 0 Norwegian crowns. There's no excess on this insurance. So that was the insurance you have included in your membership. It was Fellesforbundet household contents insurance. It was Fellesforbundet basic insurance, and it was LFR leisure accident insurance and LFR travel insurance. And then you can also buy some other insurance. It is home insurance, car insurance, it's child insurance, accident insurance, pension, capital certificate, and so on. There's a lot of insurance you may need, and we have that. And the typical with all the insurance we got is they have the name LO-favør. That is a security for you that your trade union have made sure that you have some of the best insurance you can get in Norway as a member of the trade union. We also have benefit of a bank. Your trade union have negotiated one of Norway's best interest rates on mortgages, and that is a home loan. And the home loan is 3 types. You have something called LFR first home loan, and if you are buying your first home, regardless of your age, you get the bank's best interest rate. Buying a home for the first time can be daunting for many. That's why it's resorting to have a bank advisor on hand to guide you through the process. We also have this LFR young person's home loan, and the property market can be really challenging for young people, and you may have many questions you want to ask, like how much can I borrow, what can I afford, and so on. So if you are under the age of 34, you get a lower interest rate on your mortgage as in LFR young person's home loan. We also have this general LFR home loan. For many, to buying a home is the biggest investment they will ever make in their lifetime. Because home loans are usually bigger than other loans, and the interest rates play an important role. I also got a new question. What's the normal price for this insurance compared to the collective travel insurance? I would think that means the traveling insurance, yes. The normal price for a traveling insurance in Norway is about 1,800 Norwegian crowns to 2,000, 2004. It depends a little bit where you live and the age you are. But from 1,800 to 2,400, somewhere there, you have the price for a travel insurance in Norway. And this traveling insurance as a member of Fellesforbundet, it's almost it's only 95 Norwegian crowns per month. It's 1,133 Norwegian crowns per year. So it's a lot cheaper than a common travel insurance. For the young people who want to save money, we have this home saving for young people. That means you are young and you know that to sometime you want to buy an apartment or a house. It is really expensive, and you need a lot of money to buy your house. Then we have this home saving for young people. We call it BSU, and it's a high levels of interest on your savings. As a member of the trade union under the Norwegian Confederation of Trade Unions, also LO, you benefit from a discount of 0.25% on top of the bank's already high BSU interest rate. We also have salary guarantee advance, and if the company you work for goes bankrupt, members of a trade union have a LFR current account, or you get one or set up one. you are eligible for mortgage interest loans while you await payment. So this is how to secure your payment if something has happened where you work. We also have a industrial dispute loan. An industrial dispute loan may be right for you if you are impacted financially by an industrial dispute at your place of work. And it's really important for you to qualify for an industrial dispute loan. The dispute must be legal. Your trade union will be able to tell you whether the industrial dispute is legal or not. So then you have to talk to your shop steward and to make sure that this is a legal dispute. We recommend that you speak to an advisor to ensure your final needs are met all times. If you have questions like renting or buying, how much you can borrow, savings, what insurance cover do I have, and so on, we recommend that you speak to an advisor in Sparebanken, and they will help you. If you need to make a claim of the insurance, I can assure you we have a fast and efficient help if you use this www.meldeskade.no. This is I think this is the easiest way to claim a damage. You can also call directly to the insurance company, but in these days there is a lot of members who is calling, and you have to wait a long time before you reach a advisor at the company. So I recommend you to use meldeskade.no, because that is the most easiest and fastest way you can get help these days. It's an easy website. You just write in meldeskade.no, and you will come to a good website who will show you everything. If it's the household, if it's the car, if it's traveling on, and so on, you just choose the right one and you fill out the information you need, and then you just wait for the answer from the insurance company. Sparebanken is your partner. Sparebanken is the biggest or the most important partner in the trade union, because we have the insurance and bank benefits you get as a member of the trade union. If some of you need to have know anything else, or you want to make us to give you an offer, just take up your phone and hold it in front of the QR code. Don't take a picture, just hold your camera in front of it, and they will pop up a link, and then you just push that link and you will directly go to the contact form. And just fill it out with your name, email, phone, and anything you want to talk about, and we will call you or send you an email after. Is there any question from anyone? I see this QR code is a little bit too small, so you have to take your phone really close to the screen to make sure it pops up. Yes. Okay. I will, as I said, this webinar is recorded. That means afterward you will get a mail, and we will also show this webinar after, and everyone can see it. So if you have a friend or a coworker who didn't make it today, you can just tell them that this will come on Fellesforbundet's Facebook or on email. Then we will show this again. I hope you enjoyed the meeting, and I hope you learned something about your benefits as a trade union member. I will also just tell you, in LFO you have a lot of other benefits. You have holidays, experience, you have a hotel at the Nordic Choice Hotels, Scandic Hotels, you have energy benefits, car rental, etc., etc. Go into lofavor.no and check out all the benefits you may have as a member of the trade union. With that, I hope you have a nice day, and thank you for this meeting. Goodbye.